Good morning, good afternoon, everybody from all parts of the world. Oliver here, back with another video. This video, we're going to go over some technical analysis for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tron. So, over the last couple of weeks, it's been very boring price action, right? We've just been consolidating, but while smaller Bitcoin was consolidating, all the altcoins had a chance to pop up and had a small rally. That being said, a lot of people are really bullish on Bitcoin and they really think that alt season is going to happen. Currently, I don't think that's in play right now unless we break the February swing high, which was at 4,180. Yep. Unless we break that swing high, I'll definitely be looking for some longs. I do think we could reach as high as 5K regions because there's just a void here. And if that does happen, then the VIP group will be going completely wild on altcoins, and then we'll be pumping out pretty much altcoin signals every day, if they potential, such as Nano. I was watching Nano the other day. Look, that looks like it's ready to fucking explode, alright, and touch some new fucking levels. Only thing is Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin can break February's swing high, which was at 4,180, then I'm pretty sure all the alts would explode also. So that's when I flip my bias. Anyways, let's get into what's happening on Bitcoin right now. So here we have the daily. I've marked out some levels. These resistance levels are actually from the weekly time frame. I've marked out the opens of these down impulsive moves. I do think they would act as really good resistance, as you can see here. Last week, March 18th, it completely wicked into it. So yeah, I think these levels, key resistance levels. Going on to the daily, we are now above this breaker. A lot of people were bearish because this was ejecting EQ, but if you look down on the smaller time frame, Bitcoin was accumulating right below here, and that's what made me kind of bullish. That's what made me think that we're gonna completely nuke this. Anyways, going back to daily, here are the levels. If we close above this breaker, that's a good sign. We can go into 4,100s, and if we do break 4,180, then I would say it's a bull run. It's a mini bull run for alts and Bitcoin. Now if we go on to the 4 hour, we have the high time frame close above this key resistance level. You can see price was trying to claim this level, and once it failed to claim it, rejected off it, it had a mini dump. By the way, we did go long here because this is a fresh untested level, as you can see right here. So currently we're up like 300%, and we'll be closing these scalp longs around these levels of resistance. Now, what do I think is gonna happen, right? So now that we have a pretty good high time frame close above the key resistance level, I do think this is going to take out these highs first, alright, and then these highs. These areas of liquidity would act as fuel to get the last chance to short right here. That's where I'm gonna short. These areas of liquidity will propel us into that, and yeah, this will be, as Knight said, the complete last chance to short, because if we do break above the swing high and we manage to close above it, pretty sure we're going to 5k. So yeah, that's the targets for Bitcoin currently. We might have a small pullback into this breaker, but I doubt it. We already had a high time frame close above this key level, so let's go ahead and rename that. Okay, so that should act as support now. Next target, these resistant levels, going short here. Break of this swing high, I'll be looking along. Okay, I just don't think we're gonna break it yet. I feel like this whole entire move is just retail pushing it up, thinking that it's all season. It is going up, but without the retail. So yeah, sucks. When our shorts get hit, I'm pretty sure we're gonna dump down, test these low levels, 3,500, and then we have the break of this fucking range, and then we have to break up this fucking range. You see this? Yeah. So shorting here, aiming to these regions, 3,500, and then I think there's gonna be a bull run. That would be the perfect scenario for me. Anyways, ETH. Alright. Fuck, I thought I had this chart prepared for you guys. I'm sorry, but let's do it live. So, see if we have any key levels on the monthly. Well, I think we'll play a significant part right now. Is the open of March, alright? So let's go ahead and mark that out. March open. Swag, alright. Weekly. What plays significant part on weekly? I think the previous week's open. Yeah, it's a key part. It will act as a nice resistance level. Swag, okay. Also, this week's open. Graph as support. Okay, good shit. What else can we see? Looks like this week's open. This weekly bearish order block is capping price, is holding it down. I'm gonna draw that out as resistance. High time frame resistance. So if we do manage to get a close above that, be pretty bullish. Yep. That's all we need from the weekly. Let's go on to the daily. Now this is where I really want to short, alright? This breaker right here. Alright. That's where I really want to short. We'll go over that in a bit. There's a breaker here, there's a bearish order block right here. So there we have good area to go short. Let's explain what's going on here. This area looks like it was acting as good support. It's not as fresh anymore though. Alright, so let's go into the 4 hour and find these levels. Now let's spot out some areas of liquidity, alright? So we can see for Ethereum, with this high, this managed to take it out. So I think a lot of shorts will be, a lot of stop losses will be resting above here. Let's get rid of this one. Apologies. Here too. This high, this high, this high. So all these areas of liquidity will act as fuel to expand price up into this level. If it does break that, I'm pretty sure we're gonna short it higher around here. The last part of resistance before the expansion down. There's a void here. Price needs to fill the void. So see what happens. I want to see if price is going to break 150 or not. Anyways, we have fuel set up. You see these lower highs. I do think the market makers were manipulating price in order to make people short. And then what's gonna happen? It's gonna expand, take out all the stops. Sad life. Anyways, remember that high time frame level we drawed? That has been capping price for this entire range. Entire range. How long have we been in this range? It's been fucking 1 month, and that sucks. Hopefully, when the volatility come back, we can provide a lot more setups for everyone in the VIP. And on YouTube also. So anyways, targets for Ethereum, right? I got the key levels marked out. I'll mark out this one too. That's my support level. So the last bit of resistance before the expansion up. Right, if we do get below this, it's a good time to retest. A good time to go short on the retest. So, okay. Here. We're above weekly open. Currently under the previous month's open, which looks like a strong, this is really strong resistance right here. So maybe we might, accumulate a bit right here under these resistance levels, and then out of nowhere we just want to expand right up. That might be the case. I do think we're going up before down. What I mean by that, I do think we're going to test out these levels before we do crash down. So yeah, that's just my bias. Until we break this swing high, I'm bullish. BTC was looking bearish, but we gained the breaker, so yeah. I'm just looking for these levels now. These high time frame levels. Let's mark out clearly where I want to short. I want to short there. By the way, we went long right here for the VIP. That's where we went long. We went long here, and we went long. Where the fuck is it? Let's see. We went long here. That's where we went long. Members are pretty happy. Anyways, let's get on to the last coin, and that is TRX. So, fucking Tron, man, like seriously, we wanted to go long at 380 because you could see it's fucking clearly accumulating, and on the high time frame, it was a nice SR flip, right? But guess what? Bitcoin decides to fucking dump, and Tron hits our stops. Anyways, that sucks, but we did do another call for Tron, and it's here. You see this bullish order block right here? Mark out the open, the equilibrium, and if we go onto the 4 hour, we refined it. So now we have a 4 hour order block right here. So we can see that there's a price expansion. Market makers, smart money, whatever you want to call them, clearly want to take the price up. I can see why. Enter on the retracement. Get fibs for extra confluence. Bounce off the 79 fib. Optimal trade entry. Where do I see this going? Up. Could go all the way up. Could go all the way up to here. I definitely think it's a possibility, but let's play it safe because Bitcoin's on its tipping point, right? Just take profit gradually right here. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and so on, right? Just take profit gradually with your stop loss to break even and protect your capital, and then you're all good. Everything's safe. Your hard-earned money is safe. Just made money trading some shit coins. So hats off to you, man. Anyways, that's it for me today. I'll try my best to post more of these types of videos. It's just that fucking Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're not moving at all, man. Look, we've been in this stupid range for a fucking month. Fucking sucks. I'm fucking pissed. You can tell by my voice I'm fucking salty. But hey, shit happens. If you do want trades, I definitely advise people to start trading Forex. Look, Forex provides so much opportunity. And if you're stuck on trading crypto because your butt hurt, because you lost everything at 20k, then I'm sorry, dude. Like, Forex is something you could do. It's a lot better than trading this shit coin, this Ponzi, right? If you want to play it safe, if you want more trades, if you want to scalp, you want to swing trade, or you want to position trade, I advise Forex. Anyways, that's it for today. Hope none of you are getting liquidated. If you're not in a Discord channel, make sure to join ATP, the best channel out there. We're teaching everyone how to trade like I'm fucking market maker, like smart money. Join the brotherhood today. Peace out.